Okay, so this is a test of the Acer C250i projector. I bought this in offer. It was around $400 here in Switzerland, and it's quite interesting of all the connectors, because of all the connectors and flexibility it has. The cool thing is that it's, as you can see, it's quite portable, and you can set up different angles of it, right? But this video is more focused on the noise part of it, which is what worries me more. So I have an app here open that is measuring the decibels, and I'm gonna turn on the projector now, and I'm gonna keep quiet so you can see the influence of the projector in the basic standard mode of imaging. I'm projecting just a standard image. Let's see once it's heating up a bit. You can see how the average is going to 56, more or less. I'm gonna change now the image mode to the display mode to echo, so you can see how it reduces the noise. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in bright. So now it's in bright mode. Let's see. So that was in bright.